Good evening. Today is January 11, 2024, Thursday, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL03 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 11, 2024, Thursday. Here are the SL03 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, January 11, 2024. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of January 11, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.